Hey foodies, today on She Could Sit All, we are going to make these delicious finger-licking lemon and herb chicken wings. These are amazing for that midweek dinner and for that low-carb dinner, guys. I served this with just a nice bowl of salad and everybody was happy. And did I mention that they are finger-licking delicious? They are. So let's cook. So to cook, guys, it's very simple. You're going to need, of course, your wings, and I'm using about 1.5 kilo of wings. When I make a low carb dinner, I like to make sure that we have enough protein, hence a lot of wings. Okay, drizzling it with some black pepper and add to your liking. I'm just listening to my ancestor. Okay, black pepper, then salt, and then we go in with oil. And then the star of the show, the one that makes this dinner easy, is the Nando's lemon and herb marinade. They are so good. Do not forget, guys, I'm going to list everything below and where you can buy this Nando's marinade if you're in the UK, so do not worry. Add everything in there and just leave about a tablespoon of the marinade on the side for later. Massage everything, massage your wings in this marinade. Make sure every single bit of the wings is covered and well massaged in this beautiful marinade. After, we are going to place this on our prepared tray. I've lined this with a baking sheet just so that it doesn't stick and for easy cleaning, because nobody has time to clean. Okay, and then you just arrange them, and then we are going to also collect all that remaining marinade, because no waste here, guys. Okay, these marinade remaining on the plate, they need to go in to create that finger licking juicy wings. Okay, and then you can collect that, and then we are going to place this in a preheated oven. My oven is preheated at 200 and it's a fan assisted option. And then we are going to place this in the oven, bake for about 15 minutes. So set a 15-minute timer, and then after 15 minutes we're going to come back and give this a flip. So we are going to turn these, and then we are going to continue cooking for another 15 minutes. So I like to put them in on same side, so I know that I have flipped them. Okay, and now another 15 minutes has passed, and remember the marinade we kept on the side. This is the time now. I like it, to have that fresh marinade on before serving. So I add this on and then just continue cooking for 10 minutes so they can get more color and even more juicy from the marinade. So back in for 10 minutes and our wings are ready. Oh my goodness, guys, these were like literally finger licking delicious. And here they are, guys, and now we are ready to plate them. You're going to just remove it from your pan and plate this on your serving tray. And do not forget, guys, do not forget to collect all those juicy drippings from these wings, because those are gonna add even extra flavor. So collect them, drizzle on back, and then serve with a side of a salad for that easy peasy midweek dinner, guys. You cook just one thing and the oven does the rest. Okay, I hope you are inspired. I hope you will give this a go, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave us a comment. What will you serve this wing with? Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys.